So at the library today, we had a great audience of people that wanted to learn about wolves and wolf dogs. So Howling Farm is a wolf dog rescue and sanctuary. We rescue wolf dogs that are either abandoned or brought to us from different shelters or different areas or homes that no longer want the animal, they can't take care of them. We had a slideshow explaining wolves in the wild, and then some of our ambassadors at Howling Farm. And then we did question and answers, and then everybody got to come up and meet these guys and pet them and take their pictures with them. So the black one is Raven. He is 4 years old. He is what's known as a black-faced wolf dog. When he was a puppy, he was jet black, and he, believe it or not, turned 5 the day after Christmas. And you can see he is getting more and more silver underneath. Over there, the little one is Luna. She is only 25% gray wolf. She is mixed with husky, and she also has some chow and some Akita in her. There's about 200 to 300,000 wolf dogs in America, and when the 15 of us are full, it's harder to find homes for them. We are located in Jackson, New Jersey, right on West Veterans Highway. We are online, so you can look us up on howlingwoods.org, and we have all the information on there that what you can and can't do. We do tours. We offer tours on the weekends, every other Saturday or Sunday. It's about an hour long. We do look for volunteers. We are a working farm, so not only do we take care of the dogs, we have to clean up their pens, we have to feed them, vet care. We need backups to come out and help us on different events like this. So we are always looking for volunteers. What's really rewarding and makes it worthwhile for me is that I get to educate people on these guys and dispel the myths. Everybody thinks that these guys are big and bad and vicious, and obviously they're not. And each one of them is so special in their own way.